jingle bell rock, jingle bell swing.
Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this masculine 21st birthday card, and it is using the last box of our project from boxes 5 to 10. So today we're using number 10 and we are using the stamp set that came in that box. So here we have this masculine card, and let me move that out of the way so you can get a better view. We are also using products from Paper Discovery, which is the Elegant Nursery Alphabet and Bunting die set. We're using this for the star die, and then we're using the new products from Creative Craft, which is the Small Numbers Galore, and it's a 21st die and stamp set, and I've used the 21 number and also the sentiment that says let the adult begin, and then I've used that banner there as well. So I hope that you enjoy making this card, and yeah, let's get started. So I have got everything cut and stamped and coloured in ready just to save time. So this is just going to be really quick card to put together. So I have my card base here, and I got this one from the range, so 6.5 by 6.5 inch card. Then I've added my yellow card, 6 3/8 by 6 3/8, and then the patterned paper is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So I have stuck them on already. Then I have the next mat and layering pieces. So we have my white piece, and this is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. Then I have my yellow piece, and this is 5 1/8 by 5 1/8. And then I've got my pattern paper that's 5 by 5, and they are going to attach together like that. So I'm going to do that with you. So I've just got my tape runner, and we're just going to add these together. And then this, I was originally thinking I was going to add it like that, but then I remembered that this point of the card would obviously catch when you open this up. So instead I'm going to have it this way but lift it up, so then that point is lining up with the bottom of the card. Then I've got my next mat and layering pieces. So we have the white that's 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. The yellow is 4 1/8 by 4 1/8, and then the white piece is 4 by 4. Okay, again I'm going to attach all these three together. And then I've done my stamping, and I used the Exploding Box stamp set from box 10. So I stamped that with some black ink, and then I just coloured them in with stamped the confetti on this piece here as well. And then I'm going to attach this, but I'm going to have it so it's central with this one here. Okay, and then I'm going to fill in this area here with a sentiment and some stars. So I'm going to keep all this bit flat and then add my decorative pieces with some foam tape. Okay, and then I've got my sentiments and my stars. I'm going to stick that down so it's in the middle of that box. And then I've got this one here, again I've added foam tape, and I'm going to place that there. And then I've got my stars, and I'm just going to have them like that. So I'm going to stick all that down, and then I will come back. And there we go. So that is using box 10 with the exploding box stamp set, which is My Creative Life. And I hope that you enjoyed me putting this card together, and it gives you another idea for a masculine card. So join me again tomorrow for another opening from the Papercraft Society Advent Calendar box. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. You need to support my channel and clicking that subscribe button, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and